Welcome to Golden Ridge House. This unique property offers buyers the opportunity to purchase one of Barbados' oldest homes with history dating back to 1825. This wonderful property commands an elevated position that allows you to see 8 of the 11 parishes around Barbados. The main house is located at the center of the 2.7-acre lot and offers a blank canvas of over 5,000 square feet to create your own home. To the western side of the property is the original cattle barn, which has been renovated and offers 3,100 square feet of living and office space with breathtaking views of the countryside. Golden Ridge House is a perfect opportunity to create a grand Barbadian home located in the heart of the island. With the space to create a home, entertainment facility, or investment project, Golden Ridge is a must-see. Contact our team at Realtors today to schedule a viewing.